Are you looking for a home near Montclair, New Jersey? Well, welcome to 18 Belle Terre Road in West Orange. You're only 10 minutes away from Montclair. Excellent location to get the New York City bus, and I can't wait to show you inside. So come on, let's go. As you enter this home, you're gonna see beautiful mahogany floors, an open living area. You have gorgeous detailed tray ceilings with recessed lighting. It goes into the formal dining room, and it really has such a great open flow. It's perfect for entertaining. Here we have 3 very generous sized bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1 half. One of the bedrooms is an ensuite on the first floor, and 2 of the bedrooms are upstairs along with the main bathroom. This kitchen has recently been renovated with beautiful hardwood cabinets, granite countertops, and there's so much countertop space for all of your appliances. It has a center island, and it's truly a beautiful kitchen. I can't wait for you to come see this home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, a huge deep yard, and a beautiful deck to enjoy in these summer months for barbecues. If you would like a private tour, please contact us today, and we can't wait to hear from you. Talk to you soon.